Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to Biology Master Part 25. Let's straight away go to our quiz. Mitosis is the division of the dash that results in daughter cells with identical genetic information. Nucleus. Production of non-identical daughter cells, gametes, that have only one set of chromosomes have as many as the parent cells. Meiosis. A complex of DNA and protein that condenses during cell division. Chromatin. The waist where the two chromatids are most closely attached. Centromere. The four phases of dash are phase 1, G0 2, G1 phase, 3, S phase, 4, G2 phase. Interphase. A non-dividing state in which a cell is just existing. Go phase. Duplication of organelles and proteins necessary for mitosis / cytokinesis. G1 phase. Chromosome in bracket DNA replication occurs as well as synthesis of histones. S phase. Proteins and organelles are produced and final preparation for mitosis and cytokinesis occur. G2 phase. Mitosis and cytokinesis are part of what phase? Mitotic M phase. The 5 phases of dash are 1. Prophase, 2. Prometaphase, 3. Metaphase, 4. Anaphase, 5. Telophase. Mitosis. Dash. Chromatin fibers coil tightly, forming chromosomes. Nuclei disappear and the nuclear envelope breaks down. Mitotic spindle begins to form. Centrioles migrate away from each other. Prophase. Centrioles split in two. Kinetochore microtubules pull sister chromatids towards opposite poles. Cell elongates as non-kinetochores. Microtubules lengthen. Anaphase. Nuclear envelope fragments. Chromosomes more condensed. Microtubules grow towards nuclear area. Microtubules attach to kinetochore of sister chromosomes. Prometaphase. Centrioles at opposite poles. Chromosomes line up on metaphase plate. Kinetochores of each sister chromatid attached to kinetochore microtubules at opposite poles. Metaphase. Two daughter nuclei form in the cell. Nuclear envelope forms in each cell. Chromosomes arrive at opposite pole and decondense. Mitotic spindle breaks down. Telophase. Microtubules that control chromosome movement during mitosis. Mitotic spindle. Once they are separated, chromatids are called chromosomes. Specialized structures that work together inside a cell. Organelles. Which organelle assembles ribosomes? Nucleus. Shape, protect, and support individual cells and the entire organism. Cell wall. Can be found in the nucleus, cytoplasm, and on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes. Hello friends, thank you for trying out Biology Master Part 25. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabe. Bye bye for now.